Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shapr3D, and more to come. This video covers Drawing 5 in Shapr3D on iPad. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Shapr3D on your iPad. Start with a sketch. Place the sketch on the front plane. This will automatically rotate your view to the front, as shown by the cube in the top right corner. Use the line tool to draw the outline as shown on screen. Perfect. Select all the outline lines and apply horizontal and vertical constraints. This ensures all lines are straight. Select the horizontal line and set it to 50 millimeters. Select the vertical line and the origin point and set this dimension to 25 millimeters. This centers the horizontal line. Select the vertical line and set it to 10 millimeters. Do the same on the other side and set it to 10 millimeters as well. Next, select both horizontal lines and set the overall height to 30 millimeters. Select the horizontal line and set it to 30 millimeters. Then select the vertical line and the origin point, and enter 15 millimeters to center the top part. The sketch should now turn green, which means it is fully constrained. Well done. You can move the dimensions out of the way if you like. Use the circle tool and draw a circle centered on the top horizontal line. Set the diameter to 20 millimeters. Draw another circle and set the diameter to 30 millimeters. Use the trim tool to remove the unwanted lines. Trim the top part of the circles and the horizontal lines shown on screen. Now exit the sketch. Use your finger or the cube in the top right corner to rotate the view. Tap inside the lower contour and use the arrow to extrude it by 25 millimeters. Tap inside the top contour and extrude it by 30 millimeters. Well done, this is looking good. The last step is to add the fillet. Select the edges you want to round. Then drag the small blue arrow. Dragging inward creates a chamfer. Dragging outward creates a fillet. Set the fillet to 8 millimeters. Perfect. Finally, we need to combine the bodies. There are currently two separate bodies. Go to Items on the left. Select both bodies. Then click Union. Click OK. The bodies are now merged into one. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you finish them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.